Parts of speech. Noun. Lesson agenda. Motivational activity. Noun. Singular nouns. Plural nouns. Practice activity. Lesson objectives. Define the meaning of a noun. Provide various examples of nouns according to the categories. Follow the rules to create the plural forms of nouns. Let's take off. Can you name all the images in this box? Noun. Definition. A noun is a word that names a person, a place, an animal, a thing, or an idea. Example: person, sister, lawyer, classmate, Victoria. Place, Philippines, city, bathroom, school. Animal, dog, hawksbill turtle, cat, bird. Thing, pencil, pie, cell phone, plane, cloud. Idea, justice, freedom, love, century.
Singular and plural. Nouns can be either singular or plural, depending on whether they refer to a single or more than one person, place, thing, or concept.
Rule number 1. To pluralize regular nouns, add s to the end. 1 camera, 2 cameras, 1 cup, 3 cups.